Hello everyone, a very good afternoon students. So students, today I am going to start third lesson's grammar part usage of has and have. So all of you open your textbook page number 42. So students, in this class you will learn the usage of has and have. So has is used when we speak about one person or thing, and have is used when we speak about more than one person or thing. So let us look a few examples. Here the boy has a ball in his hand. So as we are talking about only one person, so we use has. And the girls have toys in their hands. So you are looking at this picture. So there are two girls. Okay. So as we are talking about two girls, we use have. So students, in the place of subject, if noun is in singular, we use has. Okay, and in the place of subject, if noun is plural, we use have. Okay, then have is also used with pronouns like I, we, you, they, or etc. For example, I have a jumping rope. So I is the first person singular. So we use here have. And they have new clothes. So they is the plural. Okay, plural pronoun. So we use here have. And as you consider these examples, have is being used with the pronoun like I and they. So let us see more examples here. So there is a table. So there are pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So I is the first person singular. You is the first person, second person plural and singular. He, she, it, these are the third person singular. And we, you, they, these are the third person plural, second or third person plural. So have, it is used with I. Has, it is used with he, she, it, third person singular. And have, it is used with we, you, they. Let us see the example here. I have a chocolate. I have a chocolate. Okay, first person singular. You have many colorful flowers. So have it is used with you. Okay, then we have a jumping rope. See, have it is used with we. And they have new clothes. So have, it is used with they. And let us see in the third person singular, he, she, it. So he has a new car, she has many pets, and it has a long trunk. So we use has with third person singular, he, she, and it. Okay, then here the uses of has and have. So has and have are also used in questions while asking the questions. Examples: have you been to London? See, have you been to London? And who has my pen? Who has my pen? And did you have toast for breakfast? Did you have toast for breakfast? Then, has anyone seen my book? See, has anyone seen my book? And last one, what do you have? What do you have? Do you have my pen? Or do you have my pencil? So like this. So has and have are also used in questions. Okay. Then students, have you opened the page number 42? Okay. So has used for one person or thing. See, the word has is used for only one person or only one thing. For example, Sita has a book. Sita is the name of a girl. Correct? No? So Sita is a singular noun. Okay? So Sita has a book. And my brother has many pencils. So can you observe in the place of the subject, you can see only singular nouns. Sita, my brother, the dog, a bus, Ravi. Okay. So as I told you, in the place of the subject, if there is a singular noun, we use has. Okay. Sita has a book. My brother has many pencils. The dog has a curved tail. A bus has 4 wheels. Okay. Ravi has many marbles. Okay. So each sentence has the word has. Why? Why means in the place of the subject there is singular noun. Okay. So that's why we use has. The next one. Have is used for more than one person or thing. Examples, all giraffes have long neck. All giraffes have long neck. So all giraffes, it is plural noun. Okay. So we can say here we can see more than one giraffes. And my brothers have so many toys. My brothers have so many toys. And I have a book. They have dolls. Rohini and Meena have dolls. So here, or as I told you, in the place of the subject, if the noun is in plural, we use have. Okay, have you understood, my dear children? Okay, let me switch on the next slide. Here, have you opened the page number 42? So there you can see a table. So here, read the table and match using has and have. So one has been done for you. Okay. For example, here, my friend has many pets. My friend has many pets. So what does your friend have? Your friend has many pets. Correct? No? Then can you guess it? Can you match it? Second one, Priya has Priya has 2 balls. Very good. Priya has 2 balls. So you can match. Priya has 2 balls. Have you understood? Okay. The next one, Ranjit's brother. Ranjit's brother. Tell me. Ranjit's brother has a new car. Have you understood, my dear children? My friend has many pets. Next, Priya has 2 balls and Ranjit's brother has a new car. Okay, have you got my point? Okay, let me switch on the, let us go to the next table. Here, I, so it is the first person singular. So I have a red book. I have a red book. Okay, next one. All elephants. So all elephants. Elephants. It is a plural noun. Okay. Elephants have long trunks. See, all elephants have long trunks. Okay, students, you also match along with me. Okay, in your textbook. All elephants have long trunks. Okay, the last one. My friends. My friends have many dolls. Okay, my friends have many dolls. Did you understand? Did you understand? Okay. Next. Now let us answer the questions that given in the page number 43. Okay. So now match and find the answers to the questions that follow. So one has been done for you here. What does your friend have? So in the previous slide, you can see here. What does your friend have? So your friend has many pets. The answer is my friend has many pets. Okay. The second question. The first question, sorry. What does Ranjit's brother have? What does Ranjit's brother have? The answer. Ranjit's brother has. Ranjit's brother has a new car. Okay. Ranjit's brother has a new car. Next. What do you have? So what do you have? Answer. I have a red book. I have a red book. I have a red book. Okay. Next one. What do all elephants have? What do all elephants have? So answer. All elephants have long trunks. All elephants have long trunks. Okay, then last one. What do your friends have? What do your friends have? So the answer is my friends have many dolls. Students, my friends have many dolls. So, students, I hope you have understood the topic or the usage of has and have. So, thank you.